Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the 5th grade problem-solving screener? The 5th grade problem-solving screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite texts. Since this assessment is given to every 5th grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests problem-solving with 4th grade concepts and applications, skills that students entering grade 5 should have mastered. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the problem-solving screener. If a student takes much longer than other students, that rate of speed is worth noting. But don't cut a student off if they are still productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. The 5th grade problem-solving screener is 20 questions long. Visuals are used as appropriate in the assessment, which is a mix of multiple choice and griddable items. The entire assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your class. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at one time. A key that denotes which 4th grade math TEKS to which each question aligns is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. There will be an updated key each school year in DMAC.